Come and sit with me for a while. Set everything down. Your worries, your distractions, your pain, and rest here, with me. You've been carrying so much. You've tried to be strong for so long, but now I want you to simply be. No pressure to perform, no expectations to meet. Just be mine. I see your tired eyes. I hear the silent cries you haven't told anyone about. I know the questions you wrestle with in the dark, the ones you're afraid to say aloud. I'm not afraid of your doubts. I'm not offended by your pain. I came for you because I knew there would be moments like this, when the weight of life feels too much and your heart quietly wonders if I'm still there. I am here, closer than the air you breathe, nearer than your heartbeat. I have never left you. Even when you couldn't feel me, even when your faith wavered, I stayed. I always stay. Let me walk you back through your story. Yes, even the messy parts. I want to show you that I was there. In the moments you thought I was silent, I was speaking in whispers. In the times you felt abandoned, I was holding you. In the chapters that nearly broke you, I was planting seeds of something beautiful. You didn't deserve the pain. But I'm going to redeem it. Your heart has endured so much, hasn't it? The betrayal that stole your trust, the disappointment that dulled your dreams, the shame that made you feel unworthy. But here's the truth. None of those things define you. Not to me. You are not your mistakes. You are not what they did to you. You are not the things you lost. You are mine. You were chosen long before the world called you broken. You were named beloved before anyone called you forgotten. And I've never stopped calling you back to me. Yes, I know your story. Every page, every tear-stained paragraph, every prayer you thought went unanswered. And I'm still writing something new. There is no hurt I cannot heal, no scar I cannot touch, no heart I cannot restore. What you see as ruined, I see as repairable. What you call too late, I call just the beginning. You don't have to fix yourself to come to me. You don't have to pretend you're okay. Bring me your brokenness, every fractured piece, and I will make something beautiful. Do you know what I see when I look at you? I see strength in your surrender. I see hope still flickering under the surface of your pain. I see a soul I would give everything for, and I did. I chose the cross with you in mind. I embraced every wound so that you could be healed. I bore the weight of sin and shame so that you could walk free. So when I say, come to me, I'm not calling the perfect. I'm calling the weary, the wounded, the ones who don't know how to take another step. Come, just as you are. You don't have to do anything to earn my love. My love isn't a reward, it's a gift, and I give it freely, again and again and again.